What we've got here is a full-on deaerator. A lot of times you'll hear people abbreviate it and just call it a DA. Over there is a small condensate tank or a preheated feed water system. Sometimes they'll even call it an atmospheric feed water system. But basically both of these are performing two functions. One, we are trying to preheat water, and the second that we're trying to do is actually drive excess oxygen out of that water. So you might think, I've got a boiler. Why do I need something else to go with it?
Right.
I don't know if you've ever taken a really hot pan and thrown it in water, but it typically warps and then it wobbles on the stove. And so metal warps when you throw cold water against hot metal. Boilers are no different. And actually it's a lot more amplified than that. When you throw so much heat in a boiler and then you throw cold water in there, you can warp it. In this case, you can pull tubes out, you can warp the tube sheet, you can do a lot of damage. So we need to preheat that water before we send it into the boiler so that it will actually be warm enough that when it goes in there, it doesn't allow that kind of thermal shock to occur.